Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is Python tutorial series for absolute beginners. In the last two episodes, we covered the basic groundwork, which is introduction and the installation. I hope you have done the installation and good to go. Starting today, we will write code. Let's get started. The thumb rule of learning any language is to write the Hello World program. That's the first step in learning. Let's get started and kickstart this coding journey. Before we get started, I want to thank each one of you for supporting me throughout and my channel. Please do continue to do so. I have launched a full stack interview series kit, absolute must have kit. It's available at arctutorials.gumroad.com. Make sure that you get your copy today. Please continue to support me. Thank you. Alright, today we are writing Hello World program. So some of the first things that you should know. All the Python files that we will save will have an extension with .py. That's how it knows that it is a Python script. Let's write a simple one and print hello world, and then I'll show you how to run in the terminal. Okay, let's get started with coding. So I'll open my editor, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a brand new folder for you. That's what we'll be learning, and open an integrated terminal. And the first thing you'll do is check your Python version. So type Python hyphen version. Okay, it needs to be updated, but here it is showing me Python 2.7. Okay, but if you see, I already have Python 3 installed. So if I type Python 3, it is bringing it here. That means I have both. Okay, so yeah, so like I said, install version Python 3. That's the most important thing. Okay, so all files must have extension as .py. That's the most basic thing. Okay, check for version. Type Python version. Okay, in my case I have downloaded Python 3 and hence I can run the command. So when you run the terminal commands, we will write Python 3 followed by the file name that you want to execute. Okay, so this is to run the command. All right, now let's go ahead and create a new file, and let's save as, and here let's go here and create a new file, and let's call it hello world.py. Okay, now that's how you will create a file, and it detects that it is a Python. Okay, from the extensions you can go ahead and download an extension called Python from Microsoft. I have already installed it. Please do that. Okay, so search under extensions, type for Python, search it and install it. Okay, you can also install this Python debugger extension. We'll do that little later, but for today all you need is this Python. Alright, so that being said, let's type print. That's a inbuilt method, and in the quotes type hello world and save it. That's all you will do today. Now to run it, you will type Python 3 followed by the file name, which is hello world.py. You can see here Python 3 hello world.py and hit enter. It runs hello world and prints. That's the first step for you to learn Python. Some of the things that you should know, okay, which is if you add a space. I told you in the first episode that indentation is the key. You cannot have like this spaces. It will give you error. If you are used to programming languages, you might add semicolon. That will also give you error. Save it and run it and see it is showing you red. That means it's an error. Okay, you will not see that in the console, but you can easily see that in the when you run it in runtime interpreter. It will catch it when you have big line of script. So two things to remember: no spaces, that will give you error. no semicolon, though it's not giving you error, but see, that's the difference. You see that red color? That is not error, that's a warning in this case. But you don't have to add a semicolon. Okay, now let's quickly note that down. No need for semicolon at end. Number 5 is proper indentation. Okay, even space will cause error. Remember this, that is what we are doing as part of Hello World tutorial part 3 today. Okay, that's all you should be knowing for today, and that is all that I want you to learn. So write down this line of code. You will think it's only one line of code, but this will practically teach you how to create a Python file, how to run it, how to see the output in the console, and whether you have everything set up or not. If you have passed this step, everything else will be really easy for you. I hope you're enjoying. I hope you're loving this series. Please do let me know your feedback in the comments below. Please do like, share, and subscribe. In the next part, we will learn about how to add comments in Python. If you like my work and tutorials, please do consider buying me a coffee at buymeacoffee.com/arctutorials. Thank you so much for joining. See you in the next episode.